The last day of dinosaurs, Earth's true apocalypse before humans. The sun rises over a lush green earth filled with the sounds of life. Towering ferns sway in the wind, and immense conifers stretch toward the sky. Herds of hadrosaurs graze near shimmering lakes, while the sharp cries of pterosaurs echo from rocky cliffs. This is a world dominated by dinosaurs, majestic, terrifying, and utterly unaware of the catastrophic events about to unfold. Panoramic shots of vast prehistoric landscapes, dinosaurs moving through misty forests, volcanic mountains in the distance. Narration. For over 165 million years, dinosaurs ruled the earth, but none of them could foresee the day that would change everything. The skies begin to darken as tiny particles and ash drift across the horizon. Birds of a primitive kind scatter from their nests. In the oceans, massive mosasaurs sense the changes in water temperature, their hunting disrupted. Scientists later discover microscopic evidence of a sudden asteroid impact far across the planet. 10-kilometer-wide space rock hurtling toward Earth at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. Close-ups of disturbed dinosaur herds, distant flashes of fire in the sky, rippling ocean waves with shadowy creatures below. Narration. No warning system existed to save them. The impact would arrive with unimaginable force. In an instant, a bright light streaks across the sky, faster than the eye can follow. The asteroid collides with the peninsula in what is now Mexico, creating a crater over 180 kilometers wide. The ground shakes violently, sending shockwaves across continents. Trees topple, lakes boil, and volcanic eruptions spew molten rock into the atmosphere. Fires ignite spontaneously across vast swaths of land. CGI of the asteroid hitting, dust and debris shooting into the sky, dinosaurs running in panic, forests burning. Narration. The impact released energy billions of times greater than all the nuclear bombs ever detonated on Earth. It was the day the dinosaurs' world ended. The sky turns an ominous orange and then black as sunlight is blocked by dust and smoke. Temperatures drop drastically, causing a nuclear winter. Crops and plants die. Herbivorous dinosaurs starve, followed by the carnivores who rely on them for food. Across oceans, giant tsunamis ripple outward, drowning coastal ecosystems. Acid rain, caused by vaporized sulfur, falls like a deadly chemical blanket. Dinosaurs struggling to survive, skeletal frames silhouetted against burning forests, waves crashing over ancient coastlines. Narration. Life that had thrived for millions of years now faced extinction on a global scale. In pockets of forests and valleys, some dinosaurs cling to life. A mother triceratops shields her young, but the fire and darkness consume them. A lone tyrannosaurus roars in defiance, stalking through a landscape littered with fallen companions, unaware that the end is inevitable. Across the seas, marine reptiles face starvation as plankton dies off in the cold, sunless waters. Slow-motion sequences of dinosaurs struggling, ash falling like snow, skeletal remains drifting into rivers. Narration. This was the final chapter for over 70% of all species on Earth, including the mighty dinosaurs. The asteroid impact and its consequences set the stage for a new era. In the absence of dinosaurs, small mammals, birds, and other survivors would eventually evolve into the creatures we know today. The Earth would heal, but the memory of the apocalypse remained written in stone fossilized bones, ash layers, and the massive fossils being revealed through erosion. Mammals scurrying in newly emerged forests, slow rebuilding of ecosystems. Narration. From the ashes of the apocalypse, life would rise again, but the giants of the Mesozoic would never return. A quiet shot of a modern forest, sunlight streaming through the trees, birds flit between branches, a distant reminder that dinosaurs' legacy lives on in their descendants. Modern landscapes juxtaposed with fossil imagery. Narration. The last day of the dinosaurs was not just an ending, it was the dawn of a new world, a reminder of how fragile life truly is. Please subscribe for more prehistoric documentaries and dive into the lost world of the Mesozoic era. Comment. Yes, if you want more videos about Earth's most incredible extinct creatures.